Double eight camp.
Tia.
Me Ghana rapper Sante Henny.
Rapper Kuku Adam Ghana mem Obia ni ho Tia. Me rapper Kuku Adam Ghana mem Obia ni ho. Obia ni ho. Rapper Kuku Adam Ghana mem Obia ni ho. Osuna wabubu aka Nenam Obia wiya biko. Dem say me boka sa me rapper hin be se wontia ni bo. Me tia ni bo anka Ghana rapper go from Matia si ho. Mano na matifu yetiru kuku we atoya fa wonya hwigi ye fufu me chambode du adaje mo faji hu. Mano ato yina chem tuso so che juju. Flow ye code ma code freeze me do buga we don't pay free. Chief fresh off from my bro beefy. If you would you obi girl me ni ole free. Come and once mo humia mumu. For Saturday mpo aji susu. Achechedia we dia we ye denu no me twa dia lande wano so afena me rap kum kom sa gari look a big fat big jigum sa sorry become ka rappers bebreti ni ho wa ese kroka me rap ya na ma career don peponka rap adjadwe no mabatu bu le bubom se jata madu pontu tunte me share won fisu so me share mabufu na bibi free mu ba share bibi aduku. This is 88 camp deal seal with 88 stamp. Let's get it. I don't need your proof, goddamn. Tia Ghana man rapper bang na see ope war she ojina ho she se off it war she se off it war she se off it war hey she de me dey war she de me dey war she de me dey war hey ojina ho she se off it war yeah off it war we a Ghana rap revolution me pia was in chain winning with nation me a rap messiah from 88 empire we a rap ateta me to acho sese bo baby me dim recover we a hot to sa we di ye hino de ba de ne tejo ye bom puni mpusu so a rap ete ko Kilimanjaro mafro na kwa wube pokuku adam ne de me simbe shro ni adwebo ye mo te se more ya mo fe ko wi ya de magu botom wa wo paje ko se rap ye sika nka mabuka menche rap sika da ko fi me kuta 50 me di minua ne bo te se kunta kinte me sisi masuti di mo pa me onka mente Reggie Kenya brafo stone chame kwa mi Fraser nenka sa me salutu mo bulufo yi mo ama ba me de me hu mo na mo tete mi anuti na me bumo Sante me nuga me a OG from underground body shot the game down knock him out pound for pound ejanu me dingu hu nyini akoshe se ba no rap nsusu amanyichi akoshe rap musu matimu to me beso hwe susu apaye tu wo fa wo san to hwe Ghana rap hinene me wo shama se wo sene me te won te se wo mo pene me Ghana mem rapper bang na see ope war she ojina ho she se off it war she se off it war she se off it war hey she de me dey war she de me dey war she de me dey war hey ojina ho she se off it war off it war off it war
R.I.P. If you ain't me, if you with them, run Ricky run. City got a gun, and he let it go. Only one God, only God knows. That's right, told me to get him, I got him. I seen him red dot on my left, his whole life right behind him. The surgeon inside him, his mama beside him. You doubt me, you crazy, I'm wavy, boy, I am beside him. Causing the title, I know I'm your idol. The greatest, the legend, the king is my title. I know that it kills you to wake up every day in love with your rival. Yeah, this is what I do. Yeah, niggas they hate me. Yeah, sleep with a rifle. Yeah, dare you to play me. Yeah, shit don't amaze me. Shots never could faze me. So shoot if you want, but I'm caught in the matrix. Bet you won't graze me. Ha, niggas be thuggin', them niggas be frontin', and I got the proof. Bitches be lurking, them bitches be thirsty, and I got the juice. BX bomb a nigga, you a LA Dodge a nigga. Put them out in the lineup, nigga. Let the AK line a nigga, let's get it.
Ghana mem rapper bang na see ope war she ojina ho she se off it war she se off it war she se off it war hey
shut the Medea war, shut the Medea war, shut the Medea war.
Hey ojina ho she se off it war off it war off it war
That is on fire.